Wagwan people, so you probably met those people that brag about being ghetto. Like, oh, I'm wearing 2 shirts, I'm ghetto. Well, if you have a brag about it, then you're not really ghetto. Ghetto is just who you is. So I created a list of things, and if any or all of them apply to you, you is ghetto. If you never learned to swim because you couldn't get your hair wet, if you're named after any type of drink or a brand of car, you got 2 first names, ghetto. You know you're ghetto if your birth mom is younger than you. No, sir. That is just rotten belly ghetto. If you've been beaten by any or all of the following items: wire hanger, belt buckle, grandma's slippers, your mom's going out shoes, TV remote, Dutch pot, hairbrush, broomstick, butter dish, any type of card, and the very first Game Boy that looked like a brick, ghetto. And of course there's a wooden spoon, but I can't find one right now, so don't judge me. And you're 100% ghetto if you pee standing up, but you is a girl, back foot. You're born in Turkey, but you don't celebrate Thanksgiving? Ghetto! You're Hindu, but your name is Christian. You're African American, but you're white. Ghetto! You're vegetarian, but you eat fish? And you know you're ghetto when you can't afford free food. You walk around with speakers on your shoulders, jamming out to your favorite tunes out loud in public? Oh, and you know you're ghetto when Christmas time comes around and you give a gift to somebody and you ask them to return the gift back to you so you can reuse it for next year. Or some other kind of occasion like birthday, anniversary, bar mitzvah, whatever. You unwrap a gift carefully just so that you can reuse the wrapping paper. You did that? You call the flavor of the Kool-Aid by the color? Ghetto. And you know you're ghetto when you don't have enough time to brush your teeth in the morning and you don't have any mouthwash, so you rinse out your mouth with toothpaste and water. And last but not least, you know you're ghetto when it's part of your regular vocabulary. Ghetto. So again, if you can identify with any or all of these, then you is ghetto. It's not something that you can go and brag about. It's not something that you can learn and put into practice later on. It just is who you is. So with all this said and done, I have a question for you guys. You know you're ghetto when? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below in the boombox. And guys, be creative. Use that gray matter between your eyes. I used to hate when they told me that in school. I hated that. Use the gray matter. No. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked, and don't forget to share the love with your friends. Until next time, I'm Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. I'm out. And if you're too ghetto to think of something, just try and solve this week's riddle for a chance to win a Fresh Till Death t-shirt.